In this module, we will teach you how to receive partial payment for invoice outstanding. Everything starts from the control center. At the control center, click the sales module and click receive payment. This will take you to the official receipt section. At this point, you need to choose which bank account that you are receiving money. In this case, for this example, we are choosing CIMB. Click, and you can see on the right hand window the balance that is outstanding in this bank account. Next, you need to choose the customer from which you receive the money. Click the menu, draw it down, and you can see a list of customers. In this case, you choose American. Use customer. Immediately you can see the list of outstanding invoices that is due from American. So next, you need to choose the receipt number. In this case, we are setting it auto, so you can leave it at that for the time being. And next is the date. In this case, you can change the date, or you can leave it on 18th of June 2017, which is what we are doing. Next, amount received. Key in the amount received. In this case, we use 3,000. Press the tab key to move on to the next menu. Next menu is to choose the payment method. In this case, you can draw down the menu and choose, let's say, a check payment. Yeah, click the choose use method. Now, how do you apply this payment? The 3,000 can be applied to any of these outstanding payments. So you just have to identify which invoice he is paying. Let's say if he's paying for the first one, you click here, and immediately the 3,000 is applied. So you press the tab button in order to apply it, and make sure that the out of balance is now set as 0, which means the amount received is fully applied. If that is okay, you record, and that effectively completes the transaction. So if you need to check back to this transaction, just go back to the command center. Yeah, because you have received money, so it's a banking module. Go to the banking module, click the bank register, and you can see that American's payment of 3,000 has now been recorded, and your bank balance has been adjusted accordingly. Now, for those of you who are accountants, you may want to check the journal voucher. You need to open up the transaction first, okay, and then you press the Ctrl R, and you can see the journal entry. In this case, you can see that the money has gone to a CIMB account, a debit, and credited against the trade creditors. So that being the case, it's okay. You click OK, and that basically completes our session on how to receive partial payment on outstanding invoices. Thank you very much.